to my new YouTube channel. So, I had to film this like 80 times because I'm not even sure if this video is good right now. If it is, I'll leave this in. But if it isn't, you're never gonna see this. Okay, so, the microphone wasn't plugged in. Now it is. Hope it's working. Okay, so, everything on this Holden, so this is the Holden G, 1970s Kingwood. I'm gonna be building it, fixing it. I'll be recording it for you guys to see, or for myself later in time as well. So this is the inside. Probably can't see too much because it's pretty dark right now, but you could have seen it earlier. Probably picture. You see it, you see it. You don't, you don't. Okay, the dash and the top roof are very good. Just the floor is a bit bad. We do got all these wall panels. If you can see, all the door panels, sorry. It's in the boot. Cannot figure the way to open it. My dad said the same thing. He couldn't work out how to open it. We opened it up about 2 months ago and it worked, which was really weird. We need to pull the seats out and get in from the back. All this rust here is surface rust. It's not actually in the metal. If you can hear it, it's dense, it's hard. Same with the roof. The roof is obviously a bit hollower, but like, all that, like, look how hard that is. None of that's rust, which is good. Same with the boot. The boot's a bit worse because I'm not sure how long it was out my whole childhood. I've had this thing on a different property for a while. Quite a while, probably 12 years. And I've been using it or looking at it for a very long time before I actually had enough time to fix it. So the surface rust, only surface. If you could feel it, you could tell it's surface. This one's a little bit deeper, but I don't think it'd be that hard to get out of, to be honest. So these are the panels. So this panel my dad was trying fixing. So it's white because I was painting it. Don't worry about that. That's not that hard to get. This is an original panel. Same with that one. That one just got painted on it. This one, no rust. There is hardly any. Same with these. I have no idea what this is. Personally, I have no idea what the hell that is. That might be something. I don't know. That is the front grille. The rest of the grille is in the front. Same with this. I have no idea what the hell this is. I think this might be the grill for the grill as well. This is. I have no idea what kind of this one is. This is my brother's. This I forgot. I put this here. Let me make sure. I got like all these. I mostly got all the original parts. The engine is not original for the body, which is a problem. So this was a seat. You probably would see it if I got rid of it. You didn't see it. I basically just had to get it out. It was a bit heavy. Then it was heavy. It was actually quite easy to get out. Yeah, I could pick it up with one arm. I thought it was like 40 kilos, but it isn't. The wheels are not original. None of the wheels and stuff are original. I don't think the frame's too bad. See if you can see under there for me. If you see anything, does it look bad under there for you? The engine works and everything like that. Everything works great in it. I'm hoping the bloody microphone's working. Last time it didn't. I'll show you the next video of me starting it up. moved it. It's on a ladder. Pretty good spot, to be honest, I think. It's not too heavy, I could pick it up with one arm. It's just such a weird shape and there's a lot of rust. And I went with the strap on my abs.